From the Raisers Edge NXT home screen, to access the database view, also known as the old Raisers Edge 7 view, you want to come up to this icon in the top right that looks like a little database symbol and click that. Now normally, once you've installed the workspace, you would come here and click Open Database View. But first, you will have to install the workspace. Clicking on that will take you over to the Citrix website where you can download the appropriate Citrix app for your operating system. So if you're working on Windows, you'll choose the Citrix Workspace app for Windows. If you're working on Mac, you will choose the app for Mac. Download that by following the prompts. Alright, once the Citrix Workspace app is downloaded, open it up. So on Mac, that'll be a disk image file, and run the installer. Just follow the instructions through it. After installing, don't add an account, just click continue and close the installer. And you can, if you're on a Mac, you can then move the installer to a bin. From the Raisers Edge NXT web interface, go to the database icon and click Open Database View. It will prompt you to download a launch file. You can open it straight away, or you can save it if you prefer. Make sure it's set to open with Citrix Workspace and then click OK. The Citrix Workspace will begin opening. Just give it a moment to load. The first time you open this during a session, it might take a little while, but after you've opened it once, it should open up fairly quickly any subsequent times. And that's it. We're now in the Raisers Edge database view, also known as Raisers Edge 7. Once you're done working in this view, you can either just close this window or go File, Exit, or Exit and sign out if you are the supervisor. After closing that, you can quit the Citrix viewer if you wish, and you can sign out from any existing services. And you are all good then to come back to the web view and continue using it as normally. Note, you can also use the web view while you have the database view open, so you can continue to do any normal functions here or in the database view, and vice versa.